This car has DRLs, or automatic lights, or driving lights as they call them in the States. It's a legal requirement in some countries. Okay, the tail lights, let's get on to that. Let's just open up the boot here. I'll be changing this tail stop light, and that one also. Here are some of the things that you're going to need. You're going to need a flat blade screwdriver, a posi drive screwdriver, and obviously the replacement bulbs, which you can see there. One's a 12 volt, 21 watt, 5 watt. That's for the brake light. And the other one is a 12 volt, 21 watt amber or orange for the indicator lights. Okay, I'm going to start doing that now. First, you're going to need to undo the two screws holding the tail light in here. One, that's two, right, and now you're gonna have to pry the light off. It's held on. You can see it's still held on. It's held on by some clips, some lugs. You're going to have to pry it open that way. You're going to have to put the screwdriver in a plastic bag to stop it damaging the bodywork. Right, I'm just going to put the camera down and do that now. There you go. There's two lugs were just what was holding it on. Now what you want to do here is just unscrew the bulbs. Just turn. They come out like that. Do the other one. Remove the tail lights. And replace them with the new bulbs. There. Which I'm going to do now. Okay, I've replaced the new bulbs, so I'm just going to reassemble everything. Right, once you've got the bulbs in, what you need to do is just press it in. It should click into place. There you go. And put the screws back. One. check everything's working. As you can see, it is. That's how to replace the tail and stop lights on the Chevrolet Matiz. Have a look on the gum tree and see if it's for you. I'm only asking £900 for it, so I think it's a bargain myself. It's got 12 months MOT. Right, that's it I think. Thanks.